everyone, welcome to my channel, Millie Toys. My name is Millie. Today we are going to learn about the different zoo animals. Zoo animals. There are a bunch of different awesome zoo animals like zebras, lions, and tigers. Yes, we are going to be learning about the different zoo animals today. Do you know how to spell zoo animals? Zoo animals. I will teach you how to spell zoo animals right now. Zoo animals. Zoo animals. Z O O A N I M A L S. Zoo animals. Let's have some fun learning about zoo animals. Our first zoo animal is the zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They look so cool. Zebra. 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 Do you know how to spell the word zebra? This is how you spell the word zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebra. Do you also know the sound the zebra makes? The zebra makes the sound yes, that is the sound the zebra makes. Wow, that is so awesome. Okay, so our next zoo animal we are going to learn about is the flamingo. The flamingo. Flamingos are usually bright pink. Pink. Pink is my favorite color. That is why I love flamingos. Flamingo. Flamingo. F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O. Flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingos make the sound that is very awesome. Tigers are the next zoo animal we are going to learn about. Tigers. Tigers. Tigers are usually orange, black, and white. They are very big. Tigers. Tigers. The tiger makes the sound wow, that is an awesome sound the tiger makes. Tiger. Tiger. Let's spell the word tiger together. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger. Whoa! Look at this giant elephant. Elephants are very large and can be found at zoos. Wow! Elephants. Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant. Elephants are the color gray and they make the sound that is an awesome sound. Giraffes can also be found at the zoo. Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes have brown spots and a really long neck. Giraffe. Giraffe. Here's how you spell the word giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffes make the sound whoa! Cheetahs. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are very fast runners. Cheetahs can also be found at zoos. Cheetah. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A H. Cheetah. Do you know what sound the cheetahs make? Yes, they make the sound. That is the sound that cheetahs make. Rhino. Rhinos have 2 horns and they are very, very big. Rhino. Let's spell the word rhino together. R-H-I-N-O. Rhino. The rhino makes the sound. That is the sound the rhino makes. Our next zoo animal is the parrot. 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 Parrots can be so many different colors. They make the sound. This is how you spell the word parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrots. Our last zoo animal is the lion. The lion. 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 Lions make the sound. Lions have a very loud roar. Lion. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Kids, we just learned about so many different zoo animals. That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and comment on this video and like this video.